Hello and welcome to 6 Minute Maths, and today we're going to look at a typical test question at level 1 for functional skills involving fractions. So let's just move over to the side here, and there's a couple of things I want to go through with you before we start the question. So what do we need to know about fractions? Well, the top number is always the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. So if I have a pizza and it's split into half, that means that pizza was split into two, but I've just got one slice left. Or if I had a pizza that was split into four, the denominator would then be 4, and I might just have 2 pieces left, so that's 2/4. And there is a rule we need to know to find a fraction of an amount. The first step is whatever the value is divided by the denominator, and then that is then multiplied by the numerator. So, example, if I've got £90 and I'm going to split it between me and a friend, we're getting half each, then I'll have to use, we know the answer. The answer, £90 divided by 2 is 45. So half each would be £45. But if we're working it out properly, it would be £90 divided by the denominator, which I'll just indicate with a D, and then times by the numerator. If you look there, step 1, divided by the denominator, multiplied by the numerator. So £90 divided by the denominator, which is 2, multiplied by the numerator, which is 1, will give us an answer. 90 divided by 2 is 45, times by 1, the answer is £45. Yeah, that's correct. So using those same numbers, if I had £90 divided by 3 people, so we're each getting a third, that same rule applies. 90 divided by the denominator times by the numerator. So £90 divided by 3 and times by 1 will give us an answer. 90 divided by 3 is 30, times by 1, the answer is 30. So 1/3 of £90 equals 30. Let's just take it one step further before we look at the question. £90, and this time my friend wants 2/3 of the amount, so he wants 2 lots of a third. So same rule applies. 90 divided by the denominator times by the numerator will give us the answer. So 90 divided by 3 times by 2 is what we need to do. 90 divided by 3 we know is 30. We've done this here already. And then times by 2, 30 times by 2 equals 60. And that's right, as you can see, because in question here, if 1/3 equals 30, then 2/3 or 2 lots of 3 would equal 60. Okay, let's look at the question. And remember, this is a level 1 functional skills question. It's a 4-mark question, and it says John wants to save money on fuel. His friend tells him he can save 1/3 of the cost by driving efficiently. John spends £72 a week on fuel for his car, and he thinks he can save £100 every 4 weeks. Is John correct? Well, let's find out what 1/3 of 72 is. 72 divided by 3 times by 1 equals 24. So he's going to save £24 a week. He thinks he can save £100 every 4 weeks. So if 1 week equals 24, 4 weeks is 4 times 24. And the answer to that is 96. So although John's making a saving, he's saving £96, not £100 every 4 weeks. So in your answer you would put 72 divided by 3 times by 1 equals 24. And then 24 times by 4 equals 96. So John is not correct. He'll save 96, but not 100. Okay. And there is another part to the question which a lot of people miss at the bottom, and it says use the box below to clearly show how you've checked your work. So the examiners want to see that you're able to do a suitable check, so always make it very clear. And there's a number of checks we could do here. We could do 96 divided by 4 equals 24. That could be a check. Or we could also do 3 times 24 equals £72, or 72 divided by 3 equals 24. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Take care. Bye bye.